Today we'll be making spicy braised potato side dish called Gamja Jorim in Korean. This dish is a very popular side dish and it involves a short braising and slightly sweet soy sauce delicious sauce. Peel 2 medium-sized potatoes. Cut into 1-inch cubes and soak them in water to remove excess starch, and it will keep the potatoes from turning brown. Slice half onion and thinly slice a few cloves of garlic. I'm going to use scallions for garnish. Chop 2 stalks of scallion. Let's drain the liquid. In a non-stick pan, I'm going to sauté the potatoes in cooking oil over medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Stirring occasionally so the potatoes don't stick to the pan. Add sliced onion and garlic to the pan and cook for additional 3 minutes. Boiling the potatoes before stir-frying can reduce the cooking time, but this method is much easier. Add some water, soy sauce, and a little bit of brown sugar. Gochugaru, the Korean chili flakes, and gochujang will make the sauce spicy and they will also thicken the sauce. Dry kelp, it's called dashima in Korean. This ingredient is full of the glutamates that give the food rich and umami flavor. Cover and reduce the heat to medium-low and cook until the potatoes are almost cooked through. Make sure they cook evenly, maintaining the water level while cooking. Take out the kelp and we'll see if the potatoes are well cooked. If it's not cooked yet, add about half cup of water and cook until it's fully cooked. Add sesame oil, stir in chopped scallions. The potatoes will continue to soak up the sauce even after being cooked. And turn off the heat. The potatoes, they're fully cooked and the sauce has thickened. It looks spicy and so delicious. This easy side dish goes wonderfully well with cooked steamed white rice and it actually complements any dinner table. So yummy and so addictive. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye.